Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing some Greek baked chicken, and there are a lot of ways of doing this, but this is my version. But it's a combination of chicken, potatoes, olives, incredibly delicious. You're gonna love it. So let me show you how to do this. So what I've got here is about 4 chicken thighs and 2 breasts. You can use a cut of your choice. I'm gonna add in half a cup of olive oil, some salt and pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of oregano or organo, whatever you want to say. Now you can use the spices of your choice. You can use thyme, rosemary, whatever you like, but you know, I'm trying to keep things as simple as possible. Half the juice of a lemon. Then I'm going to add in, I'd say about 15 black olives, followed by 2 potatoes cut in chunks. And what we want is this to marinate together. And I'm going to mix this with my favorite utensil, my hands. You just want to make sure you wash afterwards. The smells so good, guys. And you can marinate this for about 30 minutes, like overnight is best, but in my case, I'm going to cook it right away. Okay, now we're going to place everything on a roasting pan, lined with some aluminum foil. You know, just kind of spread the potatoes out and the olives. So after we got this all spread out, doesn't this look gorgeous? I'm just going to pour the remaining delicious goodness over the top. And we're going to slip this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about an hour. After about an hour, this looks and smells incredibly delicious. And there you have it, guys, our Greek baked chicken. All right, let's do a taste test here. Incredibly delicious. I'm gonna taste some potato. Olive. I just love this. You definitely have to try this. It's incredibly delicious. Soaked in the olive oil. Yum. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.